An easy true story about flamingos, the tall pink birds. Relax and enjoy, nothing here is hard. Listen for one thing, why are they pink? Off we go. Look at this big bird. It is bright pink, very, very pink. It is a flamingo, now look at its baby. The baby is not pink, it is gray, a soft gray like a rain cloud. Same bird, but one is pink and one is gray. Why? How does a gray baby become a bright pink bird? Here is the first surprise. A baby flamingo is born gray. To be born is to start your life. When a flamingo is born, it is gray, not pink at all, so the pink is not there at the start. It comes later. But how? Let's find out. So a baby flamingo is gray. At first, it stays gray for a long time. At first means in the beginning, at the start. The little flamingo eats and it grows, and slowly, very slowly, something happens. Its gray feathers begin to change color. So where does the pink come from? Here is the answer. The pink comes from their food. Comes from means it starts there. The color is not in the baby. The color is in the food. So what do flamingos eat? They stand in the water and eat tiny shrimp, very small water animals. They also eat tiny water plants. These little water plants are sometimes called algae. Both the shrimp and the plants live right there in the water where the flamingo stands. And this food is the secret. How can food change a bird's color? Well, inside this food there is a special color. Scientists call this special color a pigment. The little shrimp and water plants are full of it. When the flamingo eats them, the special color goes into its body. Little by little, the color moves into its feathers, its legs, and its beak. Little by little means slowly, in small steps. Day after day, the bird gets a little more pink. This is slow, very slow. It takes about 2 or 3 years for a flamingo to turn fully pink. So the gray baby does not become pink in a week. It grows up, it eats, and it turns pink little by little. But wait, what if a flamingo does not eat this special food? Let's stop and look at our first 4 phrases. First, be born. To be born is to start your life. A baby flamingo is born gray. Second, at first. This means in the beginning, at the start. At first, the baby is gray. Third, come from. This means to start in a place or thing. The pink color comes from their food. And fourth, little by little. This means slowly in small steps. The bird turns pink little by little. Now say them with me, be born. At first, come from. Little by little. Good. Now let's go back to our flamingos. So the pink comes from food. But here is an interesting thing. What if a flamingo stops eating this special food? Then little by little the pink goes away. Goes away means it slowly stops being there. The bright pink gets lighter and lighter and the bird turns pale again. Remember, the color is in the food, not in the bird. No special food, no pink. The pink is only there because of what the bird eats every day. This is why in some zoos, people give the flamingos food with this special color in it. That way, the birds stay pink. And here is one more thing. Some flamingos are light pink. Some are darker pink. The birds that eat more of this food often become more pink. So a flamingo's color can tell you a little about its food. So where do all these flamingos live? Flamingos live in many parts of the world. You can find them in Africa, in the Caribbean, and in South America. They like big, shallow lakes with salt in the water. The water is not deep. It comes up only to the top of their long, thin legs. Flamingos stand in it and eat all day. These salt lakes are full of the tiny shrimp and water plants that turn them pink. So the place, the food, and the color all go together. A baby is born there gray. It grows up in the salt lake, day after day. It eats, and little by little it turns pink, the same color as the food all around it. Now our last three phrases. First, grow up. This means to get older and bigger, to change from a baby to an adult. A flamingo grows up in the salt lake. Second, go away. This means to slowly stop being there. Without the right food, the pink goes away. And here is a fun one you can use for many things. You are what you eat. This means the food you eat can change your body. For a flamingo, it is really true. Its pink color comes straight from its dinner. Say them with me: grow up, go away. You are what you eat. Nice work. That is all our phrases. Let's remember our story. Take your time. There is no hurry. Here are 3 questions. 1. What color is a baby flamingo when it is born? 2. Where does the flamingo's pink color come from? 3. What happens to the pink if a flamingo stops eating that special food? Think about your answers. Now here is the whole story in a few words. A flamingo is born gray. It grows up in a shallow salt lake. It eats tiny shrimp and water plants, and this food has a special color inside. Little by little, over about 2 or 3 years, the color goes into its feathers and the bird turns pink. And if the food goes away, the pink goes away too. You really are what you eat. So now you know why flamingos are pink. They are gray when they are born, and their food slowly turns them pink. A nice, true story from nature. One small note: the pictures here are made by a computer, not real photos. Easy stories work best when you hear them more than once, so do not worry if you miss a word. If you liked this, listen one more time with your eyes closed and see how many words you catch. A new easy story is always ready for you. Just tap subscribe and it will find you. Happy listening.